Good afternoon, YouTubers and CT Sound Car audio fanatics. Today, I have unboxed a CT Sounds MESO 6.5 two-way component set. Let me show you what's included when you buy this component set. Be advised, this wasn't a special order, this was a regular online purchase. There's nothing special or extra. If you were to purchase this set, these components will be the same as what I received. Here you go, check them out. Okay, this set includes two of the 6.5 mid-woofers. Looks like an ABS plastics grill with mesh. Okay, these subwoofers have a fiberglass cone with an NBR surround, nitrobutylene rubber. The voice coil on these is 1.4 diameter or 36 millimeters. The impedance per set is 4 ohms for each side. They also come with a Y30 ferrite magnet, and there's also a rubber boot. This has a black cast aluminum basket with black powder texture paint. The mounting depth for these bad boys are 2.9 inches. The cutout diameter is 5.8 inches. They are rated at 75 watts per channel. The sensitivity or the output SPL is 89 decibels, and they have a resonant frequency of 65 hertz. Their frequency response is between 50 and 20,000 hertz. Let's move on to the tweeters. The tweeters are a 25mm silk dome tweeters covered with a silver chrome-plated mesh face grill. The tweeter has a sensitivity of 92 decibels. Its frequency response is rated at 800 Hz to 20 kHz. The magnet is a Neo magnet. This set also includes 2 crossovers. There's your input, and there's your output for the woofer and tweeter. There's the second crossover. Looks like it has a couple mounting pods. There's the one style. There's the other. There's also some hardware included, some mounting screws. Looks like a pair of rings. Maybe mount the rings on there in some form or fashion. The set also does include some speaker wires. Looks like 3 sets. Those might be for the tweeters and then each for the woofers, or maybe I just got an extra one. Looks like some ABS plastic grills, 4 mounting holes. Okay, I've been anticipating this set for a while, and I have a great feeling that I'm going to be enjoying these speakers. Thank you for me allowing to share with you my unboxing of the CT Sounds 6.5 MESO two-way component sets. Have a nice day. Bye.